Hey everyone! If you want to know how to add a music bot for your Discord server so you can listen to any song while on a Discord call, this tutorial is for you. Discord has recently banned all the music bots, and there is only one of them working at the moment. This one is Nekotina. To add it, we will go to this website and invite it. Now choose your Discord server. Give it all the required perms and authorize it. That's it, the bot is now added to our server. We can go into a call and test it. To play a song, we need to use the command play and the name of the song. Nekotina is connected to Spotify, so it can play any Spotify song. I'm not allowed to put the song on the video because of the copyright, but you can test it yourself. You can play multiple songs and they will automatically get added to the queue. There are 4 buttons. One of them is to pause the song and resume it. This one is to play the next song in the queue. This one is to see the songs in the queue. I will play another one so you can see it. You can see how it displays the next song in the queue. And the other button is just to disconnect the bot. That's how simple it is. The bot is in Spanish, but it's really intuitive. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Thanks for watching.